What is the purpose of internal auditing, explained with examples? Internal auditing is the backbone of organizational integrity, risk management, and effective governance. For aspiring certified internal auditors, understanding the purpose of internal auditing is not just a Part 1 exam requirement, it's the foundation for building a meaningful and impactful career in the profession. In today's volatile and complex business world, internal auditors serve as the trusted eyes and ears of the organization's board and management. Whether it's identifying fraud risks, assessing internal controls, or recommending improvements, internal auditors play a critical role in driving efficiency, transparency, and long-term success. Let's explore the true purpose of internal auditing, supported by real-world examples and tips to help you master this core concept for the CIA Part 1 exam. The primary purpose of internal auditing is to provide independent, objective assurance and consulting services that add value and improve an organization's operations. Internal auditing helps an organization accomplish its objectives by bringing a systematic, disciplined approach to evaluate and improve the effectiveness of risk management, control, and governance processes. This purpose is beautifully encapsulated in the official definition by the Institute of Internal Auditors, a definition every CIA candidate should memorize and understand deeply. Internal audit activities are broadly categorized into two main service types: assurance services and consulting services. Assurance services provide independent assessments on governance, risk management, and control processes for the organization. The auditor evaluates how well these processes are working and communicates findings to management and the board. Let's consider an example. A multinational company implements a new procurement system. The internal audit team reviews whether controls are in place to prevent duplicate payments and ensure vendor compliance. Their assurance helps management trust that the system is functioning securely and effectively. Now, let's talk about consulting services. These are advisory and related client services with the nature and scope agreed upon with the client. Unlike assurance, consulting may involve helping management design controls or improve operations, but it still retains the auditor's objectivity. Let's consider an example. A healthcare organization is planning to expand into telemedicine. The internal auditors are asked to consult on risk assessment and compliance requirements for virtual care platforms. While they don't make final decisions, they provide expert advice that improves planning and risk mitigation. Understanding the purpose also requires a firm grasp of how internal auditing interacts with the key pillars of an organization. Governance. Internal auditing evaluates governance processes to ensure ethical behavior, compliance with laws, and alignment with organizational goals. Example. An audit reveals that board meeting minutes are not being documented properly, raising concerns about accountability. Recommendations are made to improve governance transparency. Risk management. Auditors assess how risks are identified, assessed, and managed, whether strategic, operational, financial, or compliance-related. Example. A bank's audit team evaluates cybersecurity protocols and finds outdated intrusion detection systems. They advise upgrades to reduce the risk of data breaches. Internal controls. Auditors evaluate whether controls are effectively designed and functioning as intended to safeguard assets, ensure accurate reporting, and promote operational efficiency. Example. In a retail chain, cash handling procedures are reviewed. Weaknesses in cash reconciliation lead to new controls and reduce theft. To prepare effectively for CIA Part 1, focus on why internal audits are conducted, not just how. Understanding the rationale will help you answer scenario-based questions more accurately, differentiate between assurance and consulting services, link audit activities to broader organizational goals. Mnemonics and frameworks, such as remembering the 3 pillars GRC, governance, risk, control, can help you retain this information more effectively. The purpose of internal auditing goes far beyond checklist reviews and policy policing. It's about enhancing organizational performance, building trust, and enabling informed decision-making. As a future certified internal auditor, you're preparing to become a catalyst for positive change within any organization you serve. Keep this purpose at the heart of your CIA Part 1 studies. Understand it, apply it to scenarios, and reflect on it in every topic, because when you internalize the why, the how becomes much easier to master. Next step. Continue exploring the foundations of internal auditing by reviewing related topics in your CIA Part 1 study guide, including the IIA Code of Ethics, the IPPF, and the role of independence and objectivity. Each of these is tightly connected to the purpose of internal auditing and vital for both the exam and your professional journey. Stay focused, stay motivated, and audit with purpose.